Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're on our way down to Somerset Dam, which is pretty much just a camping spot. I've got the fridge turned on, all the 12 volts working as it should. So it's our first sort of getaway away with the canopy and the tray on. So I thought I'd just film something and let you know how it goes at the end of it. So we're just driving there now, and hopefully this rain's going to stop. We should have a sunny day tomorrow out on the water, and yeah. So it's the morning of our camping trip at Somerset, and I thought I'd just give a quick update. So the fridge has been on all night. We've been running lights, and we've also been charging our phones, and yesterday we blew up some tubes with a little air pump, and everything's keeping up. So we're at 13.38 volts. When the fridge cycles, it does go back to zero, but at the moment it's drawing 2.42. I did have the fridge turned up a little bit higher and it froze a lot of the stuff, so we've turned it down a bit to sort of stop it from freezing stuff. So yeah, everything's working as per normal. I did install a fire extinguisher before we left, and also put a battery clamp in to stop the battery moving around. So that's this guy here. Yeah, so everything's looking pretty good. I think we're about to take the ski out, so I might film some of that, and yeah, it's a nice day. So we just use the 12 volt pump to pump up the tube so we can tow around. Works pretty well. Hello.
Buy a boat.
What are you saying?
You know
buy
the
a
song
boat.
that goes...
Banana boat.
No, the song that goes about money might not buy happiness, but it can buy me a boat. It can buy me a truck to pull it.
Got the ski down in the water. I'm going to put some people on the tube. Try and get them off. So we've packed up and we're on the road again on our way home. So we had a pretty good weekend at Somerset, and the good news is that the solar kept up with the fridge. It never went below 12.5 volts. Even in the morning it was sitting at 13, just because we were a little bit laid up. So yeah, everything worked flawlessly. We charged our phones all night. We used the fridge. We ran lights pretty much half the night, and yeah, it worked really well. I'm really impressed with it. So we did go out on the jet ski for a couple of hours. I don't know how much of that I'm going to put in the video, but we didn't really record too much. We just sort of went out and had fun. So thanks for watching. Subscribe for more, and yeah, I'll see you next time.